பாவம் ஐக்கே, நீ போய் ரொம்ப தூரம் போய் அடிக்கலாம், ஒரே அடியில் அடிச்சுனா ஸ்னைப்பர் வச்சு.
Enemies dropping into the AO. Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Here we are. We got the green light. You're going to the war zone. Grab your gear and shoot. You're up in 3.
எங்கடா இவன் வருவான், ஆளை காணோம்.
Expect contact early
வேணா
and often.
Let's get this done. Plunder. Secure as much cash as you can. You are green to get greedy. Alright, soldier, mark a drop point for your squad and go get after it.
What are you making for that?
Yesterday,
Contract.
for dinner, the piece, big piece, that's what I'll be
See if it's still good or it was not.
Then I'll put it now. I'll make a fresh one then. What's going to be?
Hey God, it's top of.
Enemy in the area.
Enemy here.
கான்ட்ராக்ட் மேலே இருந்து எடுத்துட்டியா ஐயா?
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Then she cried, bring her over.
Yeah.
Threats in the area.
Did you drink the water?
Yeah, little bit.
Huh?
Not little bit.
Alkaline water.
Enemy sniper. Enemies dropping into the AO.
அது 132.
What the hell? He has flamethrower here, man.
What?
Flamethrower.
Yeah, that's a conversion case.
Sidewinder.
He burned it you,
Yeah.
but that is not that much powerful.
Yeah, it was powerful, man.
At close ranges only. Hey, Adi.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Someone's coming, you guys.
Enemy wounded.
You're gonna tell me where your friends are. I'm down!
என்னடா சும்மா சும்மா சுட்டு சுட்டு சாவடிக்குதா?
யார் செத்தா இப்போ?
நீ யாரையும் இப்போ
Enemies are
சாவடிச்சிடல.
dropping into the area. Watch
ஊசி
the
வச்சு
skies.
எக்ஸிகியூஷன் பண்ணல.
ம்.
இதெல்லாம் பண்ண
Cash dropping.
இல்லை இல்லை யாரோ டீமில் யாரோ செத்தாங்க.
அப்படியா?
He's reviving upstairs, IK.
Shit.
Get him.
Got them.
That was close!
Thanks for the moment.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Coming.
See you. Sorry.
Hey, there are two outside. There's one. There's one. Kill him, kill him, kill him.
Aimbot. Nothing happened to him.
Asshole.
Yeah, aimbot. Look how quickly he moved to the side. Somebody's landing back, man. Right behind you.
Enemy movement!
Enemies dropping into the AO.
Taking effective fire!
Die every time. Aimbot.
Ain't much of a finisher. Moving here.
Where are you landing back?
ஏய் இங்கே மேலே ஒருத்தன் இருக்கான் ஒரு அடிடா ஐக்கு. நான் என்கேஜ் பண்ணிருக்கேன், நீ வந்து பின்னாடி வந்து அடி. ரூஃபில் இருக்கான் போது மார்க் பண்ணிடுறான்.
அந்த காத்துல
Dropping
அடிக்கிறான்.
into the area. Watch the skies.
சூப்பர்.
காத்துல எல்லா பிளேட்ஸையும் எடுத்துட்டான்.
Gun didn't reload, man. Fuck.
They seriously need to speed up the reload animation, man. It's not of
Yeah,
any use. It's
stupid.
absolutely worthless having it slow. And I remember it was much faster in Warzone 1. Till Caldera it was all fine. In Warzone 2 they decide to slow it down for no apparent reason. If we want realism, we'll just go play Arma or something like that. We just don't need realism.
That is true. That is true. If you want the realism, we would play Arma. Yeah.
Or Squad or so many other games are there.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
got one.
Agman, there is a guy here. Try if you are able to take him out. Hacker is here.
Blood money. Enemy soldier incoming. Hunt enemy squads, take their cash. Let's get after
Land
it.
பண்ணியா அவங்கிட்ட?
இல்லடா ladder தேடிட்டு இருக்கான் தெரியல. Shit, miss
One shot
பண்ணிட்டேன்.
ஆக மாட்டாங்க. அது ஏம் போட்டவன் சூப்பரா ஒரு யாரையும்
aim
பார்த்துட்டு
போட்டு
இருந்தாரு
வச்சிருக்கேன்.
எதிர்பார்த்து மூவையும் போட்டு வச்சு அடிச்சிட்டியா?
ஆமா.
மூவே அவ்வளோ அப்படியே வரான்டா எனிமி ஐக்கே.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Pac-Man, one guy is coming. You got him?
மேல இருக்கானா கணேஷ்?
Yeah, there's one in the building. In your building.
My building.
Check. I got the UAV. This thing portable radar, so
Chopper incoming.
Enemy visual!
Enemy soldier incoming.
Landed here.
Hostiles in the AO!
இன்னொருத்த இங்க லேண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கான்.
There's somebody there. I hear noise back, man. Somebody's coming
yeah,
up.
I hear.
Yeah.
Taking effective fire!
Bullshit, man. I got all of the shots on his head. Nothing happened.
Oh my god. That was crazy.
Why did it take so many shots? I don't understand.
Somebody's coming.
Enemies are coming.
What? Where am I? Oh.
Upstairs.
Upstairs. Where is he? Pac-Man killed.
Namor is landing a little away from the boys. Who put the smoke?
Hey. I don't know.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
ஏ ஃப்ரண்ட்ல இருக்கான்டா.
Somebody coming.
Eye for an eye, eh?
One more guy.
He's coming on the roof.
Stun grenade out!
Stunned him.
But where is he? Not sure. He's not coming, guys.
Not able to climb up.
செத்துட்டானா?
வண்டியில போயிட்டான்.
இருக்கான். He's still there.
I don't know what he's trying to do. Maybe he wants to
Assist
get...
கிடைச்சது. நீ அடிச்சிட்டியா?
இல்ல.
எங்கடா ஓடுறான்?
Hey, how?
What happened?
I tried to throw a grenade, sorry, mine. Somebody threw a
Somebody
shot
is
stick on
going
the
down.
top.
Supply crates are restocked. Advise you load up now.
Yeah, downed him, man. Take him out. Wait.
One more
Lie
landing,
down,
one
lie
more
down.
landing here.
Movement!
He just went inside, he'll be back soon.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Enemy marked!
எங்கடா இருக்கான்?
Hey man, there's one guy here.
Yeah, I saw. Come here, come here.
Come here, come.
Look around!
Stupid gun didn't reload. Fucking gun, man. How much time to reload a bloody sniper?
Yeah man, that's the most annoying part of this game right now. I don't know why does it take so much time to reload.
And
One guy coming.
reload and slowly he'll tap and dance and do some stunts and then finally he'll reload.
No, 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 no.
Be careful, man.
Yeah, be ready.
Hey,
Somebody up.
there is a guy
On the
on top
building.
of the roof.
Keep moving, Pac-Man. Don't stand in one place, otherwise they'll snipe you out.
Sniper is the opposite side, man. There's one
I'll
guy
try
on
to
top
land
of
on
this
him
building.
and take him out. Let's see if I can do that. Where is that sniper?
Got him.
Sniper
Headshot. Got him. Got him headshot.
I weaked him, but he should have died when I fired the shot.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Careful.
No, 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 no. Where?
Hey, he's coming in the...
Hey, here, man. Here, the place I died.
Precision, get
Position,
inside.
guys.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
மேல இருக்கான்டா ரூஃப்ல. அடி வாங்கியிருக்கான். ஐயோ உங்ககிட்ட தான் வரான்.
Where is he?
Attack me!
Yeah, killed him. He tried to revive his friend. I killed them both. There is a sniper, guys.
The enemy's about to complete their objective. Shut them down.
Can't see this sniper, man.
There's one guy inside,
Opposite
okay,
side, where last time I
Avoid.
shot, right? Same place.
Be advised, enemy attack helo
Yeah,
incoming.
great land.
Shoot it down and secure
Time.
the cache.
There's one more guy coming.
He got shot and he ran like hell.
Somebody spotted me.
Let him go.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Help me.
Yeah, I killed him. Hey, Pac-Man, behind you.
Oh shit, man. They are not letting me land at all.
அடிச்சிட்டா இங்கே. ஆனா
இல்லடா நீங்க ரெண்டு பேர் இருந்தா
நாய்.
கூட பிளேட் டாப் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி அடிச்சிடுறாங்க. கரெக்டா லேண்ட் பண்றாங்க. என்கிட்ட தான் லேண்ட் பண்றாங்க. அது ஸ்னைப்பரை தூக்குடாது. ரொம்ப இரிட்டேட் பண்ணிருக்கலாம்.
அண்ணா இல்லடா நாய் ஓடிடுதுடா. அடி வாங்கினேன்னு ஓடிடுது.
இல்ல நான்
நீ
லேண்ட்
அங்க
பண்ணா
லேண்ட் பண்ண
அடிச்சிருவேன் அவனை. என்கிட்ட பவரான ஸ்னைப்பர் இருக்கு. லேண்ட் பண்ண விட மாட்டேன்றான். அவனை தான் பிளேட் அப் பண்ணி அடிக்கணும்னு பார்க்குறேன். எவ்ரி டைம் அடிச்சிருவான்.
வரான் வரான். அவன் செடியில ஒளிஞ்சு போனான் ஈஸா வந்து ஸ்னைப்பர்.
Asshole! This asshole raptor, I'm going to get him.
He's using aimbot now.
Need medical!
Can you come towards me, Pac-Man?
I'm
Just crawl
trying.
and come. He won't be able to see you. Shit.
Behind you, I
காலி
see.
பண்ணிட்டான்.
What the
காலி
hell,
பண்ணிட்டான்.
man?
ரிவைவ் பண்ண.
Hey, there's a guy, Ganesh here. Just stay alive. I'm coming. What the hell?
No man, he got me so fast.
That guy
By the way,
is...
some lag was there in my PC.
This sniper
That
was
guy,
irritating.
did
or
you
else
see
we
the
would have
sniper,
got-
how he is moving, right? While ADSing, he is
That
moving
same
side
part
to
guy
side while
only.
lying down. He is using some hacks for sure.
No, I killed him actually.
Moving
Then no, I
in.
tried to revive you,
Still
but
we can go.
by the time
We can still go, we are close. But only 40 seconds. Can you revive?
I'll get you on your feet, mate.
That sniper is gone from...
We failed to secure enough cash. Stand
It's
down.
really bad luck coming this much.
Yeah.